Want to steal Olivia Rodrigo's effortlessly cool plaid look? Let's recreate it. First, fabric. Opt for a lightweight plaid. Think cotton or a cotton blend. Look for colors that resonate with Olivia's set reds, blues, and maybe a touch of yellow or white work great. Consider the scale of the plaid. A smaller plaid pattern can mimic the original better. Next, the skirt. You'll need a basic aligned skirt pattern. You can find free patterns online or adapt one you already have. Be sure to measure your waist and hips and adjust the pattern accordingly for a perfect fit. Now for the jacket. A simple crop jacket pattern is what we need. Look for something with a boxy fit again. Adjust the pattern to your measurements, paying close attention to the shoulder width and sleeve length to achieve that crop, stylish fit. Time to cut. Lay your pattern pieces onto your chosen fabric, making sure the plaid pattern is aligned consistently for each piece. Pin the pattern securely and carefully cut around each piece, adding a seam allowance of at least 1/2 inch. Let's sew. Following the instructions included with your pattern, begin assembling the skirt and jacket. Remember to press your seams as you go for a professional finish. Pay close attention when sewing the plaid pieces together, matching the pattern for a seamless look. Hem the skirt and jacket. For the jacket, consider adding buttons or snaps for closure, mirroring Olivia's look, and voila! You've got your very own Olivia Rodrigo inspired plaid set. Rock it with confidence. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY fashion tutorials. And let me know in the comments which celebrity style you'd like to see me recreate next. #Olivia Rodrigo style #plaid fashion.